Now let us see the 55 question. Which one among the following is the correct option for the right relation between Cp and Cv for 1 mole of an ideal gas? That means N equal to 1. For 1 mole of an ideal gas, what is the relation between Cp and Cv? Which is also present in intermediate first year question also for 4 marks. Its relation is directly, it's a conceptual question. Cp minus Cv is equal to actually Nr, but here 1 mole that gives rise to N equal to 1. Then you will get Cp minus Cv is equal to R. This is a conceptual question. So our option is Cp minus Cv is equal to R. 3 is our correct answer.